Hello everyone, welcome to JavaScript interview series. Can you guess the longest word in this sentence? We will find out together using JavaScript. Today we will solve a problem. How do we find the longest word in any sentence using JavaScript? Like in this sentence, I just showed which word do you think is the longest. Let's break it down step by step. Imagine you are building a chat application. Every time a user sends a message, you want to highlight the longest word, make it stand out. How cool would that be? Let's see how we can code this feature. For this, I will create a function find longest word. Here I am calling this function sol.log longest word. Okay, I am copying this sentence and pasting it here. Okay, this is a string, that's why quote is necessary. So this is our sentence. First of all, what we will do, we will split this sentence. Okay, so I am taking a variable here, words equal to sentence dot split. What split do? Split will convert this string into an array. Okay, it split will convert this string into an array. We can return it and we can see the output what split will do. I'm saving the file. I have opened terminal. Okay, I'm just writing node and file name. What is the file name? Question5.js, right? Yeah, see, this is array. I am coding JavaScript while enjoying coffee in the morning. Okay, split the sentence into words. What will be the second step? We will consider, we have to find longest word, right? So we will consider the longest word is this as of now. Okay, we are assuming this. What will be the second thing? Second thing, I will apply the loop over words. Okay, I will apply the loop over words for off loop. Let word of words. So what will this do? I am suppose I am returning the word here and again save the file. Again I am doing so okay. It is returning the I. It is returning the I, the word. It is returning the first word I. Okay. So it will return the element one by one. What I will do here, I will use if this word dot length is greater than longest word dot length. It is so simple question, so simple. We can do easily. See, if the word dot length means I dot length, first it will take the I dot length is 1 and longest word dot length is 0 now because this is empty string. The length of longest word is 0. So here this condition will be pass. Okay, here this condition will be pass. So we will put longest word. We will put this word to the longest word into the longest word. Okay, here we are updating the longest word. So okay, and here I am returning this longest word. Okay, so we will discuss one by one. I am saving this file. Okay, saving this. Okay, so let word of words. Words is the array of this sentence. Okay, so first word it will take I. So I here I dot length 1. 1 is greater than the 0. Longest word dot length initially is 0. So yes, it is 0. So longest word equal to word. Word is I now. The longest word is I now. Is I. Okay. Now M is here. So M. The length of M is 2 and longest word length is now 1. So 2 is greater than 1? Yes. The longest word will change to M. Next is coding. Coding length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 6 is greater than 2? Now the longest word length is 2. 6, yes. So the longest word will be the coding now. Next word is JavaScript. The JavaScript length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is greater than this coding length? Yes. So the longest word will be JavaScript now. Okay. Next word is while. While length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is greater than this JavaScript length? No. So the longest word will be condition will not go in this if statement. Okay. So the longest word is JavaScript now only. Okay. Next is enjoying. Enjoying length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is greater than this longest word length, JavaScript? No. So nothing will happen. Okay. Condition will move to the next element. That is coffee. Coffee length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is greater than this longest word JavaScript length? No. So the longest word will be JavaScript only. Okay. There is no else condition. In length is 2. 2 is not greater than. Condition will not go further. The is also not greater than the JavaScript length, and the morning also. So the longest word is JavaScript only. Okay, now we will see the result. What is the output? Okay, so see JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript only. So we have this JavaScript as a longest word. Okay, now it's your turn. Can you find the longest word in this sentence? Comment your answer below and I will pin the first correct one. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Keep coding and stay awesome. Thank you for watching.